My first real code. Hello. Mario and Scrabble. CS50 with ADHD. Hey, so this is kind of a big deal for me. This is the beginning of my programming journey. I have ADHD, and I often struggle with focus, motivation, and especially finishing things. But somehow, I finished several projects in CS50. Harvard's Introduction to Computer Science. I didn't think I could do it, but line by line, I did. And I want to show you what that looked like. Like a lot of people, my first real program was in C, and it was just 2 lines. Simple, but it felt like something, like the beginning of something bigger. Then I added this, and now it was talking back to me. Personal, interactive. It was a small change, but for me, it meant progress. The first tiny win. And when you have ADHD, tiny wins really matter. Next came Mario. Not the game. A pyramid made of hashtags, right-aligned, neat, structured. It looked easy, but it wasn't. You had to ask the user for a height between 1 and 8, then use loops to print the pyramid. This is where I started to get stuck. Nested for loops, tracking spaces, getting the alignment right. I made so many mistakes. At one point, it looked like an upside-down staircase, but eventually I got it. That line made it work. It sounds small, but when you write it, test it, and it prints exactly what you wanted, that feeling is amazing. Then came Scrabble. The idea was simple. 2 players enter words. The program calculates the score based on each letter's value. This one was tougher. I had to compare letters to this array using ASCII math. That took a while to figure out, especially with lowercase letters, string length, and input validation. But eventually, I ran it. It asked for both players' words. It calculated the scores. It announced the winner. And for the first time, my code felt real. There were a lot of days where I didn't want to continue. Times I opened my editor and just stared. Or I got stuck in a loop of, this isn't good enough, start over. But one thing CS50 taught me, and maybe the most important thing, was this. Start small, test, build a little more, then test again. That rhythm works for people like me. You don't have to get it perfect on the first try. Just build something, even if it's messy, even if it's simple, even if it's just one printf. So yeah, that was my start. From Hello World, to pyramids, to word games. With ADHD, every step takes effort, but the wins, they feel real. If you're like me, a little scattered, a little stubborn, but full of curiosity, keep going. You're not alone. And if you want to follow this journey as it continues, feel free to stick around. Thanks for watching.